Are you on a quest to shed some pounds or just aiming to adopt a healthier diet? Welcome to our video where we'll delve into the delightful world of nutritious and delicious fruit shakes. These aren't your average shakes. They're carefully crafted to not only tantalize your taste buds, but also to help you on your weight loss journey. We'll be going over 10 healthy, quick, and easy fruit shake ideas that are perfect for both men and women. These shakes are packed with essential nutrients, loaded with fruits, and are super easy to whip up. Whether you're a busy professional, a dedicated gym goer, or someone who simply loves to experiment with flavors and ingredients, these shakes are for you. From the invigorating green goodness to the refreshing berry blast, from the exotic tropical paradise to the hearty nutty delight and the zesty citrus burst, we've got a shake for every palate. Stay tuned to discover these delightful shake ideas that will make your weight loss journey enjoyable and tasty. First on our list is the refreshing green goodness shake. As the name suggests, this shake is a vibrant green, thanks to the nutrient-dense spinach. Spinach is packed with iron, calcium, and vitamins A, C, and K, making it a fantastic choice for our health-conscious friends out there. Next, we add an apple and a banana to the mix. Apples are known for their high fiber content, which aids in digestion, and bananas, with their natural sweetness, help reduce cravings while providing essential potassium. But we're not done yet. To bring it all together, we pour in some smooth, creamy almond milk. Almond milk is a fantastic low-calorie option that's also high in vitamin E. This shake is not just a feast for your taste buds, but also a powerhouse of nutrition. It's rich in fiber, low in calories, and aids in digestion. Now, isn't that a delicious way to kickstart your weight loss journey? Next up, we have the Berry Blast Shake. This delicious concoction is a symphony of mixed berries, Greek yogurt, and a touch of honey. Each ingredient is not just chosen for its taste, but also for its health benefits. Let's start with the mixed berries. They're not just vibrantly colored and mouthwateringly delicious. These tiny powerhouses are packed with antioxidants that help protect your body from harmful radicals. They also contain a good amount of fiber to keep you feeling full and satisfied. Then, we have the Greek yogurt. This is a fantastic source of high-quality protein, which is essential for weight loss. It helps build muscle, keeps you feeling full longer, and boosts your metabolism. Finally, we add a dash of honey, nature's sweetener. It not only adds a hint of natural sweetness to your shake, but also offers its own set of health benefits, including soothing sore throats and boosting your energy levels. A shake that is as delightful as it is beneficial for your health. Moving on to our tropical paradise shake. Imagine basking in the sun on a sandy beach, with the waves gently lapping at your feet. That's exactly the kind of vibe our tropical paradise shake brings. It's a delightful blend of ripe, juicy pineapple and sweet, succulent mango, all mixed up with refreshing coconut water. This combination is not just a treat for your taste buds, but is also a powerhouse of health benefits. The pineapple in this shake is a fantastic source of vitamin C, while the mango is rich in vitamins A and E. Both fruits are known for their antioxidant properties, which help to fight off free radicals and support your immune system. The coconut water adds a hydrating twist to the shake, replenishing your body with essential electrolytes. Moreover, the fiber in these fruits aids in digestion, helping to keep your gut healthy. So, with every sip of this tropical paradise shake, you're not just savoring the taste of a tropical getaway, but also staying on track with your health objectives. Experience a tropical getaway while staying on track with your health objectives. Next, we present to you our Nutty Delight Shake. This shake is a marvelous concoction that combines the natural sweetness of bananas with the rich, creamy texture of almond butter and almond milk. It's a trinity of flavors that will make your taste buds dance and your stomach feel satiated. The Nutty Delight Shake is a powerhouse of nutrition. It's brimming with protein, an essential macronutrient that repairs body tissues and aids in building muscles. The almond butter and almond milk are rich in healthy fats that not only satiate your hunger, but also contribute to heart health. But the real magic lies in its ability to keep you full for longer. The blend of protein and healthy fats slow down digestion, helping you stave off hunger pangs and resist the urge to reach for unhealthy snacks. So, with the Nutty Delight Shake, you're not just indulging your palate, but also nourishing your body. A perfect blend of health and taste. Halfway through our list, we have the Citrus Burst Shake. This refreshing concoction is a powerhouse of nutrition, blending the brightness of oranges with the richness of Greek yogurt and a drizzle of honey for a hint of natural sweetness. The oranges, as you might guess, are the star of this shake, lending it a lively, zesty flavor. Bursting with vitamin C, they're a fantastic way to boost your immunity, especially in the cold season. But that's not all. The Greek yogurt adds a creamy texture and a good dose of protein, keeping you full and satisfied for longer. It also contains probiotics, which are great for your gut health. And let's not forget the honey, which not only sweetens the deal, but also has anti-inflammatory properties. The Citrus Burst Shake is more than just a tasty treat. It's a balanced, health-boosting delight that aids in weight loss and keeps you in top form. A tangy shake to keep your weight loss journey exciting. So, there you have it. 10 delicious, quick, and easy fruit shake ideas for weight loss. Let's do a quick recap. We started with the green goodness, a perfect mix of leafy greens and sweet fruits to kickstart your day with a nutritional punch. Then, we had the berry blast, full of antioxidants and fiber to keep you feeling full and satisfied. Next up was the tropical paradise, a delightful blend that transports you straight to a sunny beach while aiding digestion. The Nutty delight was next, a protein-packed shake to fuel your workouts and aid recovery. And we ended with the Citrus Burst, a tangy shake that boosts your immunity and metabolism. Each of these shakes not only tastes amazing, but also aligns perfectly with a healthy diet for weight loss. They are quick to whip up, packed with nutrients, and designed to keep you fueled throughout the day. Remember, adopting a healthy lifestyle doesn't have to be boring. With these shakes, you can enjoy your weight loss journey and look forward to each day with anticipation. So why wait? Start blending.